Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi Shah. Okay, so this is the quick video. I won't waste a lot of time, but before everything, just subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. I upload my new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Yes, so as from the title, you guys must be already knowing about today's video. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so for today I have this flawless brows. I have seen in a lot of videos and I was really waiting for trying out this, and I have ordered this from Amazon. That is of rupees 299, I guess. I don't know the exact rate. I'll put on the screen and link of this given in the description box in case you are interested in buying this, and this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so let's open this box. You can see, and whenever I open, हमेशा होता है ये चीज़. It's nothing new if you are following me since long time. As usual कुछ ना कुछ गिरता है. Okay, so when you open this, you get a structure like this pen and something to clean over here. Okay, so they give you cell as well to put inside. So I'll show you how to open it. This is just like a pen and this is really versatile. I just loved it. I have used this. Yes, I'm not using it for the first time. Obviously before doing video and before showing you the product, I have to use it. Okay, so this is just the pen like structure and you can open, and you have to remove your brows from this using this. But before that you have to put cell obviously. So for cell you have to just press it and open it. ये खोलने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा था. Like I didn't knew how to open it, but now I know. You have to just press the button and then pull it and it is opened. Now just put the cell inside this. Okay, फिर इसको हम लोग सिर्फ, I don't know whether this is on focus or not. Okay, when you just put this up, yeah, you can hear this noise. It is scary. Okay, the noise is scary, but it is nothing scary to use. See, nothing is happening. I'm just covering, I'm just putting my finger over here. Nothing. It's really amazing. Nothing is happening. It's not hurting. I feel eyebrows कराने से, like threading कराने से अच्छा तो ये बहुत है. Like no comparison. Okay, so the main point over here is you have to keep the pen upside down. So अगर eyebrows पे भी कर रहे हो तो ऐसे टिप के ऊपर से करना रहता है, साइड से नहीं होता है. And you have to go really slow. If you go fast it won't work. So you have to go really very slow. Okay, so let's start on our brows. Just come near. वैसे तो मुझे इतने अच्छे ब्राउज नहीं है, बट देन ऑल्सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट मार्क विद द आईब्रो पेंसिल इफ़ यू आर नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ पे ब्राउज चाहिए. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू ड्रॉ द प्रॉपर लाइन एंड गिव यू परफेक्ट आईब्रोज. ओके, आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट. Okay, so it's done and just go back. Now the next thing is just close this and keep in your bag again. Yes, that's all. It's really simple. Now let's come to the tips. First thing, can you wash this? No, you can't wash this. Next thing is that you have to clean it before keeping it inside. Yes, obviously you will be having hair stuck on that nozzle. So you have to clean it, and for cleaning you have got this strip like brush thing something, and you can use this and definitely clean it. Next thing is that does it pain? No, like not at all. Does it consumes a lot of battery? No, like you can take one battery, use it for a lot of times, but yes, don't keep the battery inside the product. ये तो हर एक product का rule रहता है if you are not using it regularly. Next thing is that is the product heavy? No, like normal pen के जितना heavy है, nothing that heavy. Next thing is that is it worth buying? Absolutely yes, it is worth buying. Next thing is that what if I get scared and I am not able to use this? Trust me, you don't have to get scared. Just buy the product, use it. If you want, you can use on the fingers first. It's absolutely amazing. You don't have to be scared about it. Next thing is, can I use on my upper lips and my facial hair? Yes, kind of. You can on upper lips, on facial hair. I don't know because I don't get facial hair. So in case any of you know, let me know in the comment section. I'll pin that comment. Can I use on my body? No, you can't use on your body. This is specially for your brows. So use there only. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys got all the question and answer. So that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, see you in next video. Bye bye.